Hey, welcome to my channel, Dizzy Slate MUA. Today I am going to do an eye tutorial on this Christmas look that I just did. So we're gonna have like some extended eyeshadow, glitter liners, all that fun stuff. So stay tuned. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Morphe eyelid primer. You see me putting it all over my eyelid. And the first shade we're gonna go in with is Tan from the Crown case. We're gonna place that right under our eyebrow. It's such a pretty color. Now we're going in with the color Black from the Crown case. As you see, I'm pressing that shade on. I'm doing it right in like my little eye pocket, I call it. And instead of bringing it down, we're gonna wing it out. That's gonna start us with our shape. Sorry, I'm on the phone, that's so ratchet. And then bring it back down to our bottom lash line. I'm taking a bigger, fluffier brush and I'm just blending it out. Next color we're going in with is our red. I love their red. All right, so we're gonna pack on the red right in between our tan and black. Make sure to get it on the black. I'm taking a fluffier brush to blend the red and the black a little better. We're gonna be doing a lot of blending with this look, so get your hands ready. Now in my Colored Rain palette, we are taking the color, I should be ready, Sauce. I should have known that. It's like a deeper red, so I'm gonna put that right on top as well. Packing it on, and then we're gonna blend it. All right, back in the Box of Crowns palette, back into the red shade. And we're still trying to soften up that black line, okay? You're gonna keep packing on and blending, packing and blending. Here I am using my Makeup Revolution concealer in C1, and now we're gonna cut our crease. Like cutting our crease, extending it. I didn't want to fast forward on this part because I want you to really get it. Because this is the main thing right here, okay? Our concealer brush is very flat. And you're going to take it in really small sections at a time. See, when we get towards the end of our eye, we're going to start to like flick that tail. I'll flick. And now I switch to a smaller angled brush just so I can get that point at the end nice and sharp. See, it's defining stuff a little better. Take your time on this part. Please. Please, 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 please. All right, then we're just gonna fill it in with the rest of our concealer. That way it's ready for our next color. All right, I'm just going back in with our brush, just making sure everything is perfect. Never too late to fix it. Now in our Box of Crowns palette, we're using green. I love this shade of green. It reminds me of the Eagles. Bird gang, ow. So we're taking that green and we're filling in the middle. Leave a little space from where we cut it, okay? Now we're going to use black. And you kind of want to trace the black along the outside of the green. Keep it parallel to where our cut is. Oh, wow. I was trying to think what I was going to say, and parallel is just perfect. Now, in our Box of Crowns palette, we're going in with lime green. I already did it on one side. You can see it's a little lighter. So we are shading in over top of our regular green. Do it all on the inside of this little thing we got going on. And while you're doing it, take it over top of the black as well. That's gonna help shade it, give us more of this pretty little ombre look. Okay, so I'm using the glitter adhesive by ABH along with glitters from Girls Like Us, LLP on Instagram. And I mixed the glitter and the adhesive to give me pretty much a liner. So that space that we left, we're going to fill in with the glitter. Look at how cute that is. Look like a little Jingle Bell rock. Okay, taking our black liner, we're going at the bottom of our eye, penciling it in. Then I'm taking the black shadow from Box of Crowns and going over top of that and extending it so that it reaches all the pretty stuff we did at the top. And then back in our Colored Rain palette, grab that sauce and sauce up your eye. You just want the bottom, you want all the outside to match. This shit was stressful. It's crazy because y'all know in my videos I usually be dancing, twerking, talking, laughing. Do you see how serious I am? I was sick. Here I am adding a couple of chunky pieces, chunky glitters, just to give it a little a little je ne sais quoi. Look at it. Look at it. That should look a hot ass mess, but watch. Alright, so this is our final look. I know it got real scary when you was looking at it because for a second I was like, I'm gonna cut the camera off. This shit look a mess. But it worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. The rest of the facial products that I used I will list for you down below, and they will also be on my Instagram. But thank you so much for watching. I hope this was easy for you. It sure as hell wasn't easy for me. Like I said, this is my first time doing something like this, but that's a part of growth. Growth and learning, that's all I want here. So like I said, if you actually like this video, please give me that thumbs up, share it, subscribe if you haven't already. I'm still rocking with all my subscribers, about 20 y'all. We in this joint, we lit. But anyway, thank you. I will see you next time.